Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is a news that is pretty much trending all over the Nigerian media space, so you do not have to take my word for anything at all. You only have to do a simple Google search to come across this news because it's pretty much everywhere. So apparently it is emerging that Buhari's son Yusuf is the fourth richest son of a sitting president in the world. So this is what is now emerging within the media space. So I bring you this. Forbes rates Buhari's son, Yusuf, as world's fourth richest president's son. So that's the headline. Forbes, the magazine, rates Buhari's son, Yusuf, as the world's fourth richest president's son. A report that Yusuf Buhari, son of President Buhari, emerged as the fourth richest child of sitting presidents by Forbes has been debunked. It was debunked by Festus Keyamo, son, Director of Strategic Communication of the Muhammad Buhari Campaign Organization. Keyamo reacted via his Twitter handle on Sunday. Posting the Forbes report on his Twitter handle, Keyamo, who also serves as a lawyer for the ruling party, wrote, "This is the kind of shenanigans in which the minions of the opposition will engage for the next 4 years instead of getting serious about opposition, after which, when they are defeated again in 2023, they will come and say they kept one result in a server or this time in a refrigerator." He ended with an exclamation mark. So now this information is really emerging into the media space from Festus Keyamo himself, because hitherto this information was really just flying under the radar and nobody was aware of it until Festus Keyamo posted it on his Twitter handle, and it has of course now been picked up by all of the media outfits in Nigeria, because it is quite alarming that Yusuf Buhari, of no known source of income, is now the fourth richest son of sitting president anywhere in the world. And we are saying the fourth richest son of a sitting president, then we're going from Donald Trump to the president of China, to the prime minister of India, to the prime minister of Great Britain, to the prime minister of Germany, to the prime minister of Italy and Dubai and everywhere. So it's number 4 on that list, apparently, according to this information that Festus Keyamo, by way of trying to debunk, has now flashed up in the media space and made us all aware of it. So Festus Keyamo has now highlighted this by way of trying to make a mockery of the opposition, but then it then brings that into question, because you recall that Yusuf Buhari, about a year or two or so ago, had an accident on a motorbike that they were saying was worth about, I'm not sure if it was 5 million naira or 50 million naira, etc. And people were querying that, how can this boy, who has no known source of income, be riding a bike that is worth that much when he has never had a job in his life? Who bought him this bike? Where does this bike come from, etc.? So they have been querying the wealth of this young man for quite a few years now, and Festus Keyamo has now flashed this up in the media space because he thought he was making a mockery of the opposition, but now he has now highlighted this boy again and he has put him up for questioning, and we are now questioning. So Yusuf Buhari, the number 4 richest child of a sitting president anywhere in the world, that is the topic of conversation of this video. It's not me saying it. This is something that Festus Keyamo, their own personal lawyer, has flashed up in the media space. So now what are we making of this? Conversations in the comment section as usual, but before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Now come join me in the comment section. Let's talk about the untold wealth and unaccounted for wealth of Yusuf Buhari. Apparently, we have to add apparently, because this is now what Festus Keyamo has flashed up. So now let's come have a conversation about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.